Hey guys, Leon here from Layat TV. So Honor has just released their Honor 20 here in Malaysia, and now they're about to release the Honor 20 Pro. Here is an unboxing. Alright, so let's get right into the unboxing, shall we? So the color we have here is the Phantom Black, though it looks a little bit more purple. Let's see what else is in the box. We have a SIM ejector pin right here already. That's pretty cool. And we have a clear, transparent silicone phone case. That's great. Next, we have a 22.5 watt fast charging. So that should charge your phone to about 50% in 30 minutes. That's pretty cool. And we have a Type-C cable, USB Type-C cable. And it looks like we have a dongle, so that means the phone doesn't have a headphone jack. Alright, so let me just run through the specs really quick. It has the same 6.26-inch full view hole punch display as the Honor 20. It also has the same front-facing camera module, so it's about 32 megapixels. It also has the same Kirin 980 processor with slightly more memory with 8GB of RAM and twice the storage, which is 256GB. It also has a slightly larger battery at 4000 mAh. It also has the same quad camera setup, except for the depth sensor that's not here. It has the telephoto camera instead, with 3x optical zoom. It also has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, so no in-display on this one, much like the Honor 20. And it also comes in two colors, which is completely different from the Honor 20, which is the Phantom Black or the Phantom Blue, which looks like teal and purple. Alright, so right now we have the Honor 20 and the Honor 20 Pro right here. So they look pretty much identical from the front. From the back is where they differ with the colors, of course. Alright, so that's it. This is expected to launch early August. We're not 100% sure on the price yet, though the Honor 20 was priced at about 1,699 ringgit at retail. So we can expect this to be about 2,000 ringgit. That's my assumption, so take that with a bit of grain of salt. Anyway, that's our unboxing video. Hope you guys like it. Let us know down in the comment section below what you guys think. And as always, like this video if you like it, subscribe to us if you haven't already, hit the bell to get notified of our future videos, and I will see you guys next time.